GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you. So below the video, you will find a link which says Swing Like a Pro. So click on that Swing Like a Pro link and come to this page right here and check out these setups and the trades and join the program if you want to enter and exit with me. Okay. Then you have this consultation link. If you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation right here and then join my free Telegram. So let's get back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is what? We have never made a new high. So this was your resistance. Then weekly doesn't make any sense because this low is not broken in weekly yet. Okay, so go and watch my Euro USD video because weekly is different there and weekly is different here. So these lows are not broken weekly yet, but we are down in daily, as you can see. So we are below the EMA in daily. However, this low is not broken yet. Okay, this low right here is not broken yet. And then 4 hours is what? Below the EMI. So officially we are down. Okay. Yeah, textbook will be that you take shorts after each pullback in 4 hour. Let me check this one. This closed at 31698 and this is 350. This made a new low. So we are not going long until all of this breaks. Okay, so you see this was the move from where price came down. Okay, this is your swing high. So the down move started last time from here. So in 4 hour, if all of this doesn't break, until that, we don't look for longs. Okay, so textbook theory here is that daily is down. As you can see, 4 hours down. I have shown you. Look for shorts after each pullback. If you want to enter and exit with me, subscribe, like, and share, and join this program. Till then, take care.